Hey guys, so today we're going to be focusing on nomenclature, and we're going to be narrowing down on the ones which contain transition metals, because transition metals tend to have more than one power to them. For example, titanium does, manganese does, cobalt does. So those ones are a little more tricky to name than as opposed to silver, considering that silver only has a 1+ charge. So the first step is we're going to take this and we're going to separate it into two parts. So we're going to separate into the cation and the anion. So titanium being positively charged is the cation. So this has two charges, as we know. It has the charge of titanium 2+ and titanium 4+. And then the cation, being this one over here, has two charges, but the anion only has one. So this is going to be our constant. So oxygen has a charge of 2-. So as we can see here, titanium has a subscript of 1 and oxygen has a subscript of 2. So here we have to take the subscript and multiply it by the power to see what it has overall. So that's going to be oxygen with a power of 4-. So our job here is going to be to make the charges equal to 0. So as we can see here, oxygen has a total charge of -4. And so there are two charge possibilities for titanium. Titanium has a possible charge of 2+ and 4+. As you can see, 2+ doesn't really work out because the subscript is 1, so the overall power is going to be 2+. And 2+ is not greater than 4, and it's not equal to 4. So titanium has to be the 4+ power, because this cancels out with this, leaving it with a total of 0, and that's what you want. You want the total of the powers to come out to exactly 0. So titanium with a 4+ and oxygen 2, these two cancel out. So that the charge is equal to 0, so that's good. So next we're going to want to take the charge that we recently discovered, again being 4, and put it into a word format. So this turns into titanium . And then we take the charge and we write it in Roman numerals. So you take a parentheses, and this has to be Roman numerals. You just can't put any regular numbers. That's just the way it is. So it's going to be, there you go. And then you just want to take the oxygen and name it. And since oxygen is a nonmetal, it's going to be an oxide. So it's going to be, there you go. And that's how you name the actual compound. So again, just a quick review. It's going to be 4 because it's to the power of 4, and right there, and it's going to be an IDE because this is a nonmetal. So if you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below, and I'll make sure to answer you guys as soon as possible. Please smack that like button and hit subscribe for more videos which are coming up soon. And please send me any emails or comments if you want me to do any more. If you have suggestions on specific types of problems you can't solve and I can help out with. So just let me know in the comments down below, and thank you guys and have a great day.